Hey everybody in Math 170, my name is Kevin Iniguez, and today I'm going to discuss a little bit about myself so you guys can get familiar with who I am. And to start off with, I guess we can discuss my past. Something maybe a little bit interesting about myself is I was a microbiologist slash chemist for a little over 3 years. I worked in analytical chemistry labs, mostly with cannabis actually. So I was the one who was running a couple instruments. Some of them are qPCR. So I was testing for funguses and bacterias in cannabis. I was also testing for pesticides and mycotoxins and heavy metals using instruments called GCMS and ICP-MS. New hobbies, and there's kind of a few that I've taken up. Okay, well, there's a firework going off, so again. For my interests, passions, and aspirations, I'm very much interested in the outdoors. I love animals, nature. I used to go hiking a lot, but I actually found a new passion that kind of has superseded all of that, which is climbing. So for about a year and a half or so, I've been rock climbing. Started off in the gym, and now it's taking me to tons of places like Joshua Tree, Malibu, just middle of the desert where I can climb some rocks. So I do both bouldering, which is climbing shorter things like they're 30 feet maximum, and you kind of fall on a pad, so you have some cushion to break your fall. And then I also do rope climbing where I'm climbing things that are like 100 feet or taller. And those are kind of the things I try to do on the weekend if I'm not busy with Math 170, of course. Other than that, I love eating good food, hanging out with my friends. I have a dog and I have 2 cats. So I like to spend time with them. And for aspirations, I really do want to continue my education, and I want to get a master's degree. And so I want to get that in some form of engineering. So culturally, I am Mexican, although my complexion looks otherwise. Both my parents are from Jalisco, which is a state in Mexico, and something interesting about my culture, I guess, is that in Jalisco, that's actually the birthplace of mariachi music, the iconic music that you think of when you think of Mexican music. I haven't done much traveling yet, but I have been to Mexico multiple times to visit family who's still there. I've been to Colorado a couple times, and just a few days ago for work, I was out in Houston, Texas, which I have to say right now, and with the July heat, it was pretty horrendous. But it's a new experience, and I really do hope to travel more soon, and I'm hoping to go to Spain and quite possibly live there in the next few years. A few reasons why I would say that I love math is because it's a language, so to speak, that anyone could become fluent in, regardless of your native tongue. And so that just kind of unifies the whole world in that sense. Other than that, for me, I'm very much interested in science, and math and science go hand in hand. It is the basis for finding scientific truth, I feel. You can always expect to see effects of phenomena in science, but you actually need the data, right? You need mathematics to be able to do research and create mathematical models and equations to represent what you're seeing. Math provides a language and a framework in order to express scientific concepts. It's a powerful tool to describe natural phenomena, formulate hypotheses, make predictions, and to test theories. And that concludes my presentation about myself, so thank you for listening.